Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
So there are extra. This is mainly spread by plasmids. Plasmids are plasmids are extra chromosomal genetic material which has a resistance factor. This resistance factor is responsible for the spread of multiple drug resistance. So this resistance factor, or also called as R factor, it has two components. It has resistance transfer factor. The first component is resistance transfer factor. Then it also has one more thing, which is resistant determinant. It has resistant transfer factor and resistant determinant. This resistant determinant is the one which is responsible for conjugational transfer of R determinant, and this carries resistances of several antibiotics, and this R determinants is the one which carries resistance of several antibiotics. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.